Hey guys, we are here at Costco. We are about to do some grocery shopping and I'm taking you guys with us. So we're gonna get a lot of snacks because you know school is out, so the girls need snacks. Craig. So school is out and the girls need a lot of snacks. So we're gonna get some snacks. So we did renew our membership. So we renewed our membership so we could get like the big snacks, the big juices, and yeah. My husband too is about to leave for school and I don't want to have to do any shopping unless it's like some little nick snacks where I can get them at the commissary. So I'm gonna go ahead and knock this out from now. So let's go. Come must take out. Hey guys, welcome back. So we are back from Costco and yes. Before I tell me why. Yeah, Pringles. Tell me why Costco closes at 6. We were in Costco at 6:30 shopping. So yeah, let me show you guys everything that we picked up. So we got some chicken. So we got some drums. So this is like, how many drums? So we got some drums, and the prices are so expensive, but the drums are always cheaper. I got me a Nescafe. We got some snacks for the girls because, as I said, I won't be going on the road anytime soon. So I got some croissant. As you can see, they already went through it because they loved it. Got some fruit snacks. This is also open. Got some Frito-Lays. Got some Quaker Oats. We got some Oreos. Where did that come from? We got some Pokey Sticks, and this one you have the cookies and cream, chocolate, and strawberries. So we got this. Got some kiwis. We got some Pringles. So we have cheddar cheese, original, and sour cream and onion. We got some Body Armor. We got Gatorade. Excuse me. And we got 2 cases of water. So we got the small case, the case with the small waters, and the case with the big one. After we went to Costco, we went to a next store to get, because as I said, the store was closing, so I had to go. It was closed, not closing, it was already closed. So I went and got vinegar at the next store. So we got some white vinegar, coconut milk, some ranch. I got some shrimp add-on. I got a head of lettuce and a head of cabbage. Yes. And I got me an adobo seasoning. So yeah, that is it. That is everything that I picked up. And this is it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to go ahead, like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.